Hello, dear students. How are you today? I hope you are good. Have we came up with a new lesson, which is woo sound. Woo has two different sounds, the long woo and the short woo. Two O together become woo, woo. For example, we have me, and at the end we have ne. When you put O and O together, becomes moon, moon. And also when we have b and at the end k, when we add O and O together becomes book. Moon is long woo and book is short woo. And we have more examples.
Long woo. Zoo, zoo. I see many animals in the zoo. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Kangaroo jumps fast. Tooth, tooth. I have got a toothache. Food, food. Pikachu is eating food. Toothbrush, toothpaste. Toothbrush, toothpaste. I brush my teeth with toothbrush and toothpaste. Bedroom, bedroom. This is my beautiful bedroom. Rooster, rooster. The rooster cooks every morning. Swimming pool, swimming pool. I swim in the swimming pool in the summer actually. Moon, moon. I see the moon in the sky at night. Spoon, spoon. I eat soup with spoon. Root, root. The tree has long roots. School, school. I go to school every day. Goose, goose. The goose swims in the sea. Short woo. Book. I read many books. Cook, cook. My mom cooks every day. Football, football. They are playing football. Wood, wood. This bench is made of wood.
Review time. Let's have review together. Can you remind me what's this? Yes, very good. This is rooster. And what's this? This is made of wood. Very good. And what's this? Yes, that's very easy. This is book. Well done. And this one, Pikachu is always eating this. This is food. Very good. Food. And what's this? Before you sleep, you can see it at the sky. In the sky. Yes, this is moon. Very good. And what's this? Well done. This is kangaroo. And the last one is? Yes. Very good. This is goose. Goose. Well done. Story time. Once I go out to the park after coming back from school. There I sit on a wooden bench and I eat food. After that, I start to read a book. In the park, I see a rooster, a kangaroo, and a goose, but the goose went away. I stay there till it gets dark because I want to see the moon at night. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.